Hey guys, this is Nandan and today we are going to discuss about matrix for DCET 2022. And as you all know, this syllabus for 2022 has changed, but I have compared the older one with the newer syllabus and I have found no bigger difference. I myself have secured 447 rank in last year's diploma CET. So let's get started with the video, and also make sure you subscribe the channel and like this video. And you can download our app called Diploma Pro 2022 for more news related to diploma. So let's start the video. As per the new syllabus, Matrices and Determinants concept contains 7 marks. Earlier it used to carry 6 marks. First we'll start from the basic. In this part of the video, first we'll perform addition, subtraction and then multiplication on matrix. For that we'll take one example. A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7. If you want to perform addition on these two matrices, that is A plus B, first we will write these two matrices. In the exam you can skip this part. 2, 4, 6, 8 plus 1, 3, 5, 7. You have to add this term with this term, then you have to add this term with this term. Therefore, 2 plus 1 and 4 plus 3, then 6 plus 5, then 8 plus 7. Let's simplify this. 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, 6 plus 5 is 11, 8 plus 7 is 15. This is how you can perform addition on two matrices. Now let's solve one example of subtraction. We'll take A as 2, 4, 6, 8, B as 1, 5, 3, 6, then we want to perform subtraction, that is A minus B. We'll write 2, 4, 6, 8 minus 1, 5, 3 and 6. We will subtract 2 and 1, that is 2 minus 1, 4 minus 5, then 6 minus 3, then 8 minus 6. Let's simplify this. 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, 6 minus 3 is 3, 8 minus 6 is 2. This was all about subtraction. Now let's see one example for multiplication. A will be 1, 1, 1, 1 and B will be 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's write the two matrices. 1, 1, 1, 1 multiplied by 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you have to multiply rows with columns. That means you have to multiply this term with this term. Then you have to multiply this term with this term. Then again you will multiply this whole row with this column. One into 2 is 2 plus 4 into 1 is 4. Then we will multiply this whole row with this column now. 1 into 3 is 3. 5 into 1 is plus 5. Then we will multiply this whole row with these two columns. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 4. Then 3 plus 5. Now let's simplify this. 2 plus 4 is 6. This is 8. 6. 8. And this is how you can multiply two matrices. In this part of the video, first we'll learn how to find square of a matrix. For that we'll take one example. A is equals to 1, 3, 2, 1. Find A square. A square means A into A. We will write the matrices 1, 3, 2, 1. Again 1, 3, 2, 1. Now we have to multiply rows with columns. Therefore 1 into 1 is 1. 3 into 2 is 6. 1 into 3 is 3. Plus 3 into 1 is 3. Then 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1. If you simplify this, you will get 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 and 7. This is how you can find square of a matrix. Now we will solve one example for 3 by 3 matrix. For that we'll take this matrix 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1. We have to multiply. We will multiply this same matrix with the same matrix. That will be 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1. Oh, this is 3 by 3 multiplication. Here also we have to multiply rows with columns. That means first we'll multiply this number with this number with this, and this number with this. Then again we'll multiply this same row with this column. Then we'll multiply the same row with this column. One into 1 is 1. 0 into minus 1 is 0. You can give any sign for 0. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. Then we will multiply this row with this column. 1 into 0 is 0. Plus 0 into 1 is 0. Then minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 0 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Then we will multiply this whole row with these three columns now. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 0 into 0 is plus 0. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is plus 1. 0 into minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. 1 into 0 is 0. And 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into, then we will multiply this row with these three columns. That is 0 into 1 is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Now this row with this column. 0 into minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is plus 1. Now let's simplify this. If you simplify this, 1 plus 0 is 1. You will get 1 here also. Minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 is minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Here you will get 1. 1. 1. Minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 2 and 1. This was all about 3 by 3 matrix. Now let's move on to the last part, transpose of a matrix. In exam, they will give you one matrix. For example, they will give you 2, 3, 1 and 6. And they will ask you to find transpose. Or they will ask you just like this, A to the power 1 or A raised to T. This both means the same, like you have to find the transpose. All you need to do is just exchange the rows with columns. In this example, this is our row. You have to convert it to column. We'll write 2, 3 and we have to convert this row into the column. That will be 1 and 6. This is our transpose. Let's take one more example, that is 6, 7, 2 and 1. Then we will find the transpose. Transpose will be 6, 7, 2 and 1. We just interchanged the rows with columns. In this part of the video, first we'll see another example on transpose. We'll take one example. We'll take A as 2, 5, 0, 7 and B as 3, minus 2, minus 5 and 4. Then we will find transpose of 2A minus 3B. For this, first we have to find 2A, that is 2A. This will be 2 into A matrix, that is 2, 5, 0, 7. We have to multiply each value with 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 7 is 14. So this is our 2A. Then let's find 3B. Same, 3 into B matrix. 3, minus 2, minus 5 and 4. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are minus 6. Minus 15 and 12. Now we got 2A and 3B. Now we have to subtract 2A minus 3B. Our 2A was 4, 10, 0, 14, minus 9, minus 6, minus 15, 12. Let's simplify this. 4 minus 9. 10 minus of minus is plus 6. 0 minus of minus 15 is plus 15. And 14 minus 12. If we simplify this, we'll get 4 minus 9 is minus 5, 16, 15 and 2. Now we have to take transpose of this. So we have to interchange rows with the columns. That will be -5, 16, 15 and 2. Now we will see one more example on finding x and y values. For that we will take one example. Usually in exam they will give questions like this: x, y, (1) and x, -2, 3 is equals to -5 and 1, and they'll ask to find x and y. For this, what we have to do is we have to multiply this matrix with this matrix, rows with columns. X minus 2x 2 is -2x plus 3y. Now we have to multiply this row with column. -2 into 1 is -2 plus 3x is equals to -5 and 1. So here we got two equations: -2x plus 3y is equals to -5 and -2 plus 3x is equals to 1. We can solve this equation. Therefore, I'll keep 3x on this side and we'll take this -2 this side. -2 goes this side, so it will become +2. 3x is equals to 3. X is equals to, we'll take this 3 this side, so it will get divided 3 by 3. Therefore, x is equals to 1. Now we got value for x. We'll substitute this x in this equation. So it will be -2 and x is 1 plus 3y is equals to -5. -2 into 1 is -2 plus 3y is equals to -5. Then we'll keep this plus 3y this side. -5 will take this -2 this side, so it will become +2. 3y is equals to -5 plus 2 is -3. Then we'll keep this y this side and we'll take this 3 this side, so it will become -3 divided by 3. 1 za 9 is y is equals to -1. Therefore, x is equals to 1 and y is equals to -1. This is how you can find value for x and y. Study some more examples on this. You can study more examples by saying previous year question papers. You can find previous year question papers on our app Diploma Pro 2022. I'll give the link in the description also. You can check that. Now we will see problems finding on cofactor. For this also we'll take one example. Cofactor. We'll take this example: 4, -5, 3 and -2. If you want to find cofactor for 4, just draw one horizontal and vertical line from that number. The remaining number is -2. Therefore, cofactor for 4 is -2. Now if you want to find cofactor for minus 5, then cofactor for minus 5 is same. You have to draw one vertical and one horizontal line, and remaining is 3. Therefore cofactor for 5 minus 5 is 3. It's 2. Therefore cofactor for 3 is, if you draw one horizontal and vertical line from 3, we will get minus 5, and cofactor for minus 2 is 4. Now we have to substitute this in one matrix. In place of 4, we have to substitute minus 2. In place of minus 5, we have to substitute 3. In place of 3, we have to substitute minus 5. And in the place of 4, in the place of minus 2, we have to substitute 4. This is how we can find cofactor. With the same example, I'll show you how to find adjoint. We'll take the same example, 4 minus 5, 3 and minus 2. 3 minus 2. First, to solve adjoint, we have one structure. First we have to find cofactor. Then second one is to find transpose. So let's first find cofactor. Cofactor for 4 is minus 2. Cofactor for minus 5 is 3. Cofactor for 3 is minus 5. And cofactor for minus 2 is 4. Then we have to transpose this. That means we have to interchange rows with columns. Minus 2, 3, minus 5 and 4. This is our adjoint.